Hi all, this is a British Army clasp knife, or more known as the jackknife. It features a stainless steel blade, a can opener slash bottle opener, a Merlin spike for rope. It also has a integrated screwdriver point and an eye attachment for the lanyard. On the back, like I said, this piece is for the lanyard, and this spike here is for, I believe, undoing knots in rope. Next is the blade itself. This one has the tip broken. It's in really used condition, it's got nicks. Next is the bottle opener slash can opener. Here's a stamping, 1942 dated, and it says Richards and Sheffield. And on the end, this part is the screwdriver. Thanks for watching.